Hello everyone, welcome to John News. Food shortages around the world caused the stock market to start crashing down. We do not currently know why, as this situation is confusing scientists by the
following message is being transmitted by the United States government as a shelter-in-place warning. This is not a test. This is not a test. The following counties in your area affected include Grant, Allen, Butler, Clay, Jefferson. These areas are advised to stay inside and block all openings to your house. People in these areas have started to incite riots due to the stock market crashing. Repeat, these areas are advised to stay inside and block all openings to your house. People in these areas have started to incite riots due to the stock market crashing. I'm making a call to here because there's something terribly wrong going on with the ozone layer. There's fucking holes in the ozone. I can't tell if there's an error in our systems or if this is true. We need to schedule a meeting immediately because this is a huge problem in our hands.
Hello everyone, welcome to John News. Local Kansas riots have finally ended from police stopping the situation. We have gotten more information from the scientists as they have made a shocking discovery.
We have just gotten more information on the ozone layer situation, which we will call Ozone 341. Using our satellites, we have found a flying object in space that is invisible with the naked eye. This flying object releases a gas called CFC, which damages the ozone layer. We have created a plan called Operation Ozone, which we will send a space aircraft to destroy this flying object. If the mission is successful, we will place a shelter-in-place warning from possible debris of this space aircraft. Regular broadcasting will now be starting.
Hello everyone, welcome to John News. NASA has successfully completed Operation Ozone, as this invisible aircraft is destroyed. We can now sigh in relief, as the ozone layer